Now I'm going to make the bed. So before making the bed, you need to pull the bed. And when you are pulling the bed, please protect yourself. There is the way you have to kneel down to protect your back. Then I'm going to put the first bed sheet. And when you put the first bed sheet, you put the right side up. And you have to follow the line of the bed. You have to put properly the bed sheet to check if it covers all the bed. Even this side too, you have to bring it down. The other point here is to take a very good care of hospital corner. When tightening the bed sheets, you need to put hospital corner. And continue this way. You come also in this corner here. You make also a corner here. And make sure your bed sheet is neat. Then we are going to put on the second bed sheet. For the second bed sheet, when you put it, you put the wrong side up. The first one is right side up. The second one is wrong side up. Then I'm going to put on a duvet together with duvet cover. This is a duvet cover. You put the top down so it will help us to enter the duvet in. Then I bring a duvet. We'll use the corner of the duvet cover. You open like this. You take the other corner. It's a very long activity, but you have to do your best and do it as good as possible and as quick as possible too. After putting in, you have to tight. You have to tight this in the way that they can't be seen by the guests. Then you arrange it. You have also to make sure that the duvet is very neat also. Then after putting the duvet, we have to measure 8 inches from top. And the reason why we just make 8 is for the hygienic of the bed, because this 8 inches equal to the measurement of the pillow. So if you make it big, you expose the bed to the microbe or other outside dust that can make the bed unhealthy. Then after, you bring the top sheet then you have to enter this here, even behind. You tack all corners. Even behind. And you use your knee to protect yourself for bending. Even here, you use your knee. Then the next, we are going to put on the pillows, and before, every pillow needs pillowcase. And this size of bed, we use 6 pillowcases on it. Of course, 6 pillow, because it is a king size bed. You have to put, you see, the 8-inch that we leave when we was folding equal to the size of the pillow. And this help to cover the bed for the hygienic of the bed. It means pillows cover all the free space. Like this. Then the next point is to iron the bed. You iron the bed by removing all lines and fluffs that might be on it. And the next point is to decorate the bed. We decorate the bed using the decoration cushion with bed runner. The decoration cushion doesn't have the international standard of putting it, but you just put it as it's known and acceptable in that hotel. If in your hotel you have to put it like this, just follow that. If you have to put them like this, follow that too. But for us, we are going to select this position. And we put also bed runner for decorating our bed. When you put it, you respect 5 inches here. You measure 5 inches. After decorating the bed, the last point on bed making is to push back the bed. And now our bed is ready. The next step is dusting the entire room.